the 675 tag. Your ICT service provider here there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of computers repair and maintenance. Computers are an integral part of our daily lives, and it's essential to keep them in top shape. Regular maintenance can help extend the lifespan of your device and ensure optimal performance. From cleaning the dust out of your CPU fan to updating your software, there's a lot that goes into keeping your computer running smoothly. And if you ever encounter any issues, don't panic. There are plenty of resources available to help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. So, keep your computer clean, updated, and well-maintained. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of computers, repair, and maintenance with a focus on software installation. So, let's say you've got a brand new computer, and it's time to set it up. First things first, you'll need to install the operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. This is the foundation of your computer's functionality. Once that's done, it's time to install the software that will make your computer truly yours. Whether you're a gamer, a graphic designer, or a programmer, there's a whole world of software out there to explore. From productivity tools to entertainment, there's something for everyone. And remember, always keep your computer updated with the latest security patches to keep it running smoothly and safely. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy computing.